Self and today in this video I will be showing you how to change the tone of keypad. Not keypad. When I press back button, there is a sound of this one. Before that, there was a sound of when I touched this key. There was a sound of this one. So now I will show you how to change this to another one. So basically your phone must be rooted, and if your phone is rooted then this is the best for you. Now you must be having a root explorer, for example ES file explorer. Then we must open ES file explorer. I have a pro version of that. Now what you have to do is just swipe from the left side, and here in the local options there will be option of device. Click on that. There are many folders. Now you have to select system. When system is selected, there are many folders. Now from that you have to select 12th folder, that is media. Open that, then audio, and then UI. There we will find the sound. So this one is the touch sound. This is the touch sound. Now I want to change this to this one. What I will do is I will copy and paste. Just paste it later. No, I must copy once again. Speed error, power on sunset. I will copy this. Now I will paste it to my external SD card. Paste it here. Now what I would like to do is I want to change this sound. That's why I will click on it. I will press on it simultaneously. Now I will click on rename button, but we don't want to rename this. What we have to do is select that all, and then just click on this button so that it shows copy to clipboard. Okay, we don't want to do anything. What we have to do is delete this one. Deleted. Now we will go to external SD card where we have copied that one. Click on that, rename, and then paste here shwtouch.com. Click on OK. Now we will cut and paste it to the real location from where we have copied that. Now we will go to device, system, media, and then audio, and then UI, and paste it. So where is that? Let me find it. This permissions must be changed to RWRR. Properties, change. Their permission should be changed like RW and RR. That's all. Now click on OK and restart your device. This must be working. Thank you, and have a